Hi everybody, you're watching Ujjwal Discussion and I'm your host Ujjwal, and this time I'm with my student Upama, and Upama and I today we are here to discuss a very important topic, which is how to be confident while speaking English. Now this is a very classic problem for all the English learners, especially beginners. I remember when I began learning spoken English, I would make a lot of mistakes because I was not so confident, right? And confidence was always an issue for me. And today I've got Upama, who is super confident on camera, and she is the right candidate for this topic, and she's going to talk about this topic in great detail so that you get some ideas how you can apply those things in order to be confident while speaking in English. So Upama, welcome back to our channel, and you have got a topic today which is how to feel confident while speaking in English. I'll be just throwing some questions at you. First question is that I hope you feel much more confident this time because you had already a video on our channel, right? So definitely that could be a point to talk about confidence, how somebody can feel confident while speaking in English. So I don't know what you're going to talk about. It's not a scripted video, by the way, and if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, because I bring this kind of videos on my channel every now and then. All right, so stay tuned. All right, over to you. Please talk about that. Like, how can English learner, all the English learners out there feel confident while learning spoken English, while practicing English, while speaking English?
Okay, so first of all, thank you so much for giving me the chance to participate in this video.
Wow.
Well, confidence is something which improves our personality, our own personality. It is not about being perfect every time or never making mistakes.
Wow.
Confidence is about believe in yourself or in your potential to overcome any obstacles which comes in your way. So if we are talking about being confident when we are speaking in English, then I must say that it is quite challenging for some of us, because it is not our language. We are from different medium, so it is normal if we are being nervous when we are speaking English. But today I am here to give you some tips to be confident while speaking in English. So first and the most important point is practice regularly, because I personally believe that confidence comes from preparations and experience.
Wow.
So if you want to prepare yourself, then you need to practice regularly on a daily basis.
True.
So whenever you find an opportunity to talk or speak in English, whether it's with your friends, your colleagues, or your family members, you just need to speak with them.
Really?
And the second point is immerse yourself with whatever connect you with English. Like most of the people nowadays like to browse mobile phone. So if you love to watch movies, then you can see the movie in English, English TV shows. I mean to say, just surround yourself with English, whatever connect you with English.
Wow.
And number three, the third point is practice in a different way.
Wow.
Like if you love to listen, then you can listen English podcast, English videos. If you love to sing song, that you can sing song in English. Because I think by listening you can improve your pronunciation by listening to those experienced speakers. And if you love to read books, then you can read more and more books in English newspapers, articles. So for me, listening and reading both are the most important part of practice English. So you can apply this. And the next point is don't afraid of being or making mistakes in front of people when you are speaking in English. Like most of us, we have the fear of judgment or fear of being judged by others. So even when I was very new in this class, I was also used to think that okay, if I say any wrong or if I use any wrong word or speak anything wrong, then my classmates or any other people can judge me. But I have learned this, that people are very self-centered nowadays. They don't give a damn about you. They don't think about you. So but if there is still someone who is gonna judge you, then you just let them waste their energy. You don't need to think about them. And the next point is, you don't think too much while speaking. Like let's see, I don't like grammar that much. I think that my grammar are really weak a little bit. But now when I'm speaking this, if I continuously think about my grammar, then I will automatically lost my fluency and my confidence as well. So when you are going to speak something, don't think about other stuff at that time. And the next and the last point I can remember right now, I always say that think positive and stay positive every time. When you are speaking something, especially English, then always think positive, because if you think positive, your confidence will automatically grow and you can or you will able to speak English confidently and gracefully. Thank you.
So guys, you have heard Upama, and she has shared so many beautiful, important, effective points that you may apply while speaking English and working on your communication skill. One point that you need to remember is a bonus point, okay? You can see a number on your screen right now. If you want to be more confident, then you have to call on this number. You have to talk to me if you want to do online classes, all right? And you will get all the details in the description. And one more thing I would like to tell you, as Upama shared so many points, before they confuse you, first of all, you need to understand that nothing will happen overnight. You have to go step by step, okay? So now that's it for today's video. Hope we have been able to teach you something, to help you with something, and you're going to apply all these things to take your English to the next level. All right, if you find this video useful, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and I'll bring you another video, brand new video with a brand new topic, and you will enjoy that video too. Till then, you take care. Bye.